house. Pull up with my men.
Girl, you trashy?
Yeah, brush right here.
Girl, just stop with your palm in neck.
Girl, relax. I photo shoot make you behave so?
Girl, me just what to do. Me just my face look brown, look too
Girl,
brown.
you look good.
On the highlight.
You look nice, girl.
I just want this come out, girl. I'm my first photo shoot, you know?
So what? You're gonna look good.
Girl, come put on my shoes and go here, man. Anything happen, master?
Finally you're ready. Long time, man. Girl, wait me. Go on now.
Excuse me, you're a hell of a god. You know I really got a thing for American.
How long you with Panny man? About 2 hours now. And the man say I'm a professional.
He's so come, girl. Give him 5 more minutes. Can't see me.
Good evening, ladies. We know some 3 hours late still, but my baby mother are sitting. Like all person now, I just can't explain to you now. We're ready.
That's very unprofessional.
Let's just get started.
Alright, I'm gonna start. I'm ready now, miss. Alright.
Oh, what that?
I'm so sorry about this. Man. I chew me around come fast, you know, man. You see it?
Got the 90s camera ready.
I'm going to worry yourself. By the time I don't edit all them bad photos, I should look like Nicki Minaj. That's sport.
And dangerous. If you're one of us, then roll with us.
Cock up your bumper. Yeah, cock up your bumper.
Of course, because we running this town just like a club. And no, you don't want to mess with us. Got Jesus on my necklace.
All want to go on, you know. I don't believe in that brother, you know.
Yeah, you have to set it like this. Think you're afraid. Well, photo shoot was good, you know. It was nice doing business today, you see it?
So hold on, when I get a picture of them.
Imagine, we take all of them sexy pictures of you and then boom, you're there on the internet, butt booty naked, Photoshop. Reach up. You buff here.